Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. If you're a manager or running a team, making the right call isn't just about relying on that gut instinct anymore. It's really all about the data, right? So today, we're looking at exactly how spreadsheet decision modeling takes all that stressful guesswork out of your day-to-day operations. We're going to specifically enlist the core benefits of this approach and really break down why it's such an absolute game changer for management. Because honestly, when you strip away all the noise, every single leader out there is just looking for a systematic way to make better, faster, and way more reliable choices.
But first, let's establish exactly what this actually means in practice. What are we talking about here? Well, decision modeling is essentially the act of taking the messy, super complex, and often totally unstructured reality of your business and translating it into a clean, neat mathematical model using spreadsheets. It's about structuring your everyday headaches so clearly that the absolute best path forward basically just reveals itself. By converting a real-world business challenge into pure math, you effectively strip away all that human bias, the panic, the emotion, and what you're left with is this incredibly clear, objective framework that's designed to help you make the absolute best decision possible, based purely on the cold, hard numbers.
So let's get into the specific benefits. Our first major benefit is that this process helps you systematically allocate your limited resources. And let's face it, every single business operates with strict constraints. You might only have, say, a set number of warehouse shelves or a painfully tight quarterly budget, or maybe you're dealing with really limited staff hours. You simply can't do everything. But this modeling approach, it gives you a rigorous, totally data-driven framework to place those scarce resources exactly where they're going to generate the absolute highest impact. Instead of just guessing which department needs the most funding or which project gets priority, the model mathematically points you straight to the most efficient distribution of your assets.
And think about it. When you allocate those resources perfectly, what actually happens? Well, you pave the way for our second major benefit, which is maximizing profit. By organizing your distinct decision variables, your parameters, and all those business constraints into a highly structured spreadsheet model, you're not just crossing your fingers and, guessing what might generate revenue. You are mathematically identifying the specific, exact scenario that guarantees the highest possible financial return. It's like the model tests all the different combinations for you, finding that exact sweet spot where your constraints and your opportunities perfectly align to produce peak profitability. Now, of course, the flip side of driving revenue is our third big benefit, and that's actively minimizing costs. Just as you can program a model's objective function to push your revenues to their absolute peak, you can also target it to find the most aggressively cost-efficient way to run your operations. The spreadsheet mathematically strips out all the operational waste. It actually analyzes your processes to figure out exactly how you can spend the absolute minimum amount of capital while still ensuring you hit every single one of your mandatory operational targets. It's basically precision cost cutting, totally guided by data. Finally, we arrive at the fourth advantage, and honestly, this is arguably the most powerful one for real-world application. I'm talking about making decisions under risk and uncertainty, because we all know business is rarely predictable, right? We don't operate in a vacuum where everything goes exactly according to plan. But by using these spreadsheet models, you can actually factor in varying probabilities and unknowns. It allows you to weigh the potential outcomes of completely different scenarios, making the most statistically sound choice available even when you don't happen to have a perfect crystal ball. You are effectively using math to build a safety net against the completely unpredictable. So to wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with a question to chew on. Out of everything we just covered, which of these four benefits would most transform your operations right now? Like, are you bleeding costs? Are you struggling with resource bottlenecks? Maybe you're missing out on peak profits? Or just flying blind into market uncertainty? Well, whatever your biggest hurdle happens to be today, spreadsheet decision modeling provides the mathematical clarity you need to overcome it. It really takes the heavy burden off your intuition and puts the power right back into your data.